Terry, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. And in this channel we talk a lot about pregnancy, baby care, and everything that a mother goes through. So today our topic is negative pregnancy test but you're still pregnant. What could be causing this, and what do you do? So you can get a negative pregnancy test if you do the pregnancy test very early, that is before a missed period. And when you do this, you know that the fertilized egg has not yet implanted, and so the hormone responsible for pregnancy, that is called the HCG, has not yet been released, and it cannot be measured. So that is why, that is one reason, that is you have done a pregnancy test very early or quite early. So the second reason that could be causing a false negative pregnancy test could be that well, you have already missed your period, but the amount of HCG hormones that have already been released is still very low, and it still cannot be taken up by the strip that you're using. So you're having low HCG levels, and that is why they cannot be measured, and your pregnancy test will automatically be negative. The third thing that can cause a false negative pregnancy test could be the type of test that the type of strip that you're using. So if you're using the cheap ones, most likely they will not take up the HCG hormone, and they can only detect very high levels, and that is why when you have a very small when you're very early in your pregnancy, the HCG levels are low, and this cheap pregnancy strip will not be able to measure that. So if you're very anxious about knowing that you're pregnant, and you've tried these cheap pregnancy strips, go buy a better one or a more expensive one. And if this cannot still detect, then go to the hospital and have a blood test, because that is the most accurate and can be able to measure even very little low levels of HCG. So those are the reasons that could be causing a false negative pregnancy test. And even if these cheap pregnancy strips or any pregnancy strips has still not being able to detect your pregnancy, then you can always repeat after a week or two, so that you can be sure, because the hospital blood tests are usually more expensive, and it doesn't bite to wait a little longer, so that you can just test yourself at the comfort of your home. So again, those are the reasons that could be causing your false negative pregnancy test. And again, welcome to my channel, and if you can identify with the topics that we talk a lot about here, please hit the subscribe button and share this video, and keep coming for more. Cheers.